Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion again. Another episode, another new recipe. Today's episode we are going to make Ichorer Kofta curry, another authentic Bengali recipe. Well, Ichor means raw jackfruit, and basically we are going to make small little balls which is called kofta out of jackfruit or raw jackfruit. So without further saying, let's get started and see how you can make it. But before that, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. And first thing first, do hit the subscribe button. Yeah, that red color button down there. You have to press that button. And also don't forget to press that bell icon so that you get all the notification of my further videos. So let's get started. At first, in a pan, I'm taking 1 tablespoon of oil. It's nice and hot, so I'm going to add 1 medium-sized onion chopped and fry them. First, we're going to make kofta. After that, we're going to make the gravy. So I'm frying this onion to add into the kofta. I like to use fried onion instead of raw onions because I don't like the texture of raw onion that will give it to the kofta. That is why I'm frying them. At this stage I'm using half a teaspoon of salt. Salt helps in releasing water from the onions and it will make them nice and soft. I'm frying them in medium to high flame. When it starts to caramelize, you can see I'm adding 1 tablespoon of grated garlic and 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and fry them as well till the rawness of the garlic and ginger goes away. See, now everything is nicely caramelized and browned. So I'm going to remove them in a bowl. For the kofta, I'm taking a bowl. To that, I'm taking 250 grams of raw jackfruit or ECHOR, which I have boiled already. I have used salt and just a little bit of mustard oil to boil them and then boil it in a pressure cooker with 2 to 3 CTs. It depends on what kind of jackfruit you have. If it's very young, then you only 1 to 2 CTs is enough. Next, I'm adding some potato here to bind the jackfruit. It will help in the binding process. You will add the potato in batches. Don't use all the potatoes together, otherwise it will become all potatoey. If you require more, like me required more, so I'm adding the potatoes again and we are going to mash them. But make sure you don't make it too smooth, otherwise you will don't understand what kind of kofta you are having. So actually I like little bit of bits of the jackfruit in there, so I'm not making them smooth. Next, I'm adding that fried onion. Next goes in 2 to 3 green chilies chopped. Next, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then it's a bhaja masala, red chili powder and salt to taste. Then goes Shahi Garam Masala, half teaspoon. Now mix everything up nicely. Don't mash it so much. As I told you, there would be small little bits of the jackfruit. Now it's done. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour. This will also help in the binding process, so that when you fry the kofta, it does not fall apart. Now it's done. Now we are going to make the kofta. For that, I have taken a plate here, dry plate. To that I am adding corn flour. Now I'll take small portion from that kofta we have made, and we'll make little balls like this using our 2 palm and roll it on the corn flour so that it's nicely coated with corn flour. I'll show you one more, just a small little portion. Take it and roll it in between your palms like this, and then coat it with corn flour. And now we will do the same with the rest of the portion. Now it's done. All the koftas are done. Now we are going to fry them. For that I am adding oil. I think I am going to need just a little bit more. Now one by one I am adding all the koftas. We are going to fry them in high flame because they are already cooked. All the things we have used are already cooked, so we don't need to cook them further. So in high flame we need to get them some color. So from outside they will be crispier, from inside they will be very soft. We will just want a golden brown color outside, that's it. So it will take 1 minute on each side. After that, remove each koftas one by one on a paper towel or tissue paper so that there is no excess oil. So frying the koftas are done. You can have them like this. Trust me, these are very delicious. See, all the koftas are done. Now in a fresh pan I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil. When it's nice and hot, I'm going to add to this hot oil 1 large onion, finely chopped onions, and we'll fry them. I am doing this in medium to high flame. We are going to brown the onions. See, it started to get nice and brown color. At this stage, we are going to add grated garlic, 1 teaspoon of grated garlic, and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. In goes grated ginger, and fry them as well. Fry them till the raw smell of garlic and ginger goes away. Now they are nicely caramelized and brown. See, they are so much brown. At this stage I am adding salt to taste. Next goes tomato puree. I have taken one large tomato and I have make paste out of it using mixer grinder. You can use store-bought tomato puree as well, but I prefer this organic tomatoes. Cook them till the rawness of the tomato goes away. Next, use half a teaspoon of turmeric. To that, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix them. And 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Next, half a cup, 1/4 cup of water. Sorry, not half cup, 1/4 cup of water. We are adding water here to cook the masalas. Next, I am adding 2 tablespoons of this paste which I have made with poppy seed and melon seed or chan magaj. Fry them as well till the rawness of this paste goes away and started to release oil. See, I have cooked them for 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame and they are started to release oil. At this stage, I am adding 1 cup of water and let it simmer. We need to cook all the masalas in this gravy first before adding all the koftas. See, they started to get nice boil from the outer corner. So at this stage, we are going to cover this up and let it simmer in medium to low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 minutes, see, they have thickened up a bit. So at this stage, we are going to add all the koftas one by one. You have to be very gentle because these koftas are very soft and tender, so they can easily break away or fall apart. So be gentle and you one by one add them into the gravy. Now I am going to add rest of the masala. Here I am adding nutmeg and maize powder. I have taken 1/4 of nutmeg or jaifal and half of javitri and grind them in mixer grinder. I am adding this here. Next I am adding half a teaspoon of shahi garam masala and mix everything up. Here I am using 1 teaspoon of kera water. Mix them as well. Now I will cover this kofta for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, see, it's done. Yummy Ichorer Kofta curry is ready. Serve it with hot steamed rice. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.